Our story begins with the British Steel Piling Company, founded in 1905 by Edward Barr. BSP started by marketing sheet pile sections for foundation industry, and very soon migrated into making the machinery that actually puts them in the ground. Those early machines were steam driven, which then was followed by the diesel generation and more recently hydraulic hammers. BSP were never just machine builders. We were also innovating in the industry with new methods and new machinery in order to make the job more proficient and efficient over the years with the introduction of new technology. We manufactured sheet piling and found the solutions for the country's challenging construction needs. As we generated from steam to diesel to hydraulic hammers, there were many innovations along the way and many patents filed. Today we are exclusively a hydraulic piling hammer manufacturer. The company's interest continued to grow, and over many years it was involved with drilling, earth boring and tunnelling machines, as well as the driven pile. All BSP-TEX products are manufactured here in the UK. Today, about 80% of our products are exported, and we have representation in 30 countries around the world. Because we innovate, we have an advantage over our competitors. All our machines are hand-built by our experienced team, using the latest manufacturing techniques, which gives us a superior product, which is well built in order to last in the destructive environment we find ourselves.
BSP-TEX manufacture a wide range of piling equipment, including piling hammers, RIC equipment, piling rigs, and control and monitoring systems and power packs. Our hammers range from 1.5 tons to 40 tons and are optimized for a wide range of conditions. Our hammers are operated from piling rigs, crane suspended or leaders. They can be fitted with a wide range of attachments, making them probably the most adaptable hammers on the market. BSP-TEX pioneered the RIC compaction method in the 1980s. The UK military asked us to create a method of restoring and repairing damaged airfields. What resulted is a new method for ground improvement. RIC is typically effective up to 6 meters of depth. A drop weight of 9 to 16 tons is dropped onto a special foot assembly up to 40 times a minute. The foot always remains in contact with the ground. Behind me is our JX piling rig. Why is this innovative? The JX rig is mobile, self-erecting, and radio remote controlled. The rig is mounted on a JCB base unit. It has a 12.5 meter mast, and you can select any one of the 3 DX range hammers to fit it. The JX rig is capable of driving steel, wood, or concrete piles. The maximum single length is 8 meters, but is commonly used with sectional piles to gain a greater depth.